Creative Chrissy here. Finally had a day off without hubby. We were quarantined for, well, self-isolation for a little bit. So he went back to work. I still cannot go back to work. So I'm going to make some hand sanitizer. So I've already pre-sanitized all my equipment with just a little bleach water solution. Now I'm going to wash my hands before I start prepping. 1,000, 2, 1,000. So that's done. So I had been reading and watching, looking at different videos. And one of the biggest ones from the World Health Organization was wash your hands and use a little bleach water solution to get these sterilized. Or you could put this in the oven at 225 or 220 for 20 minutes. So we're going to use alcohol. %. You cannot use alcohol that you drink because it's got to be 91% alcohol, and even 150 proof is only 75% alcohol. So just remember that. And peroxide was in one of the ingredients. So you take 2/3 of a cup of rubbing alcohol. Luckily, I had some before the COVID pandemic happened, so if I were to go and try and look for it now, you're not going to find it. Believe me, I've looked. So it's 2/3 of a cup of the rubbing alcohol, 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. And I don't have any smaller wide mouth jars, otherwise, I would have just used a smaller one. So, that's good. So my last ingredient, because I couldn't find aloe vera gel or glycerin, I did find aloe vera juice, which works just as good. And it's just to, to make your hands a little softer. So, hang tight, and then let me go get it out of the refrigerator. So I did find the aloe vera juice, which I was lucky to find. It's usually kept in the pharmacy side of Walmart, down at the bottom with the Dulcolax and the sedative or the stool softener, stuff like that. So I just bought this big thing. I keep it in the refrigerator. I tried drinking a little bit to try it because you supposedly should drink like a cup of it a day. It was god awful. I don't recommend drinking it unless you can think of a better adding something to it. But you need just 1/3. So it's kind of a 2-to-1 ratio when you're making hand sanitizer. So just need 1/3 of a cup of that. That way it doesn't dilute the alcohol too much. And that's it. You just mix it around and fill up a little spray bottle, which I actually have quite a few spray bottles around. And instant hand sanitizer I keep in my purse. I'm going to bring some to work. So I hope you like my little video. Pre-sterilize your jar, sanitize or at least clean your equipment that you're going to put it in, that you're going to scoop out with. I use the aloe vera juice, isopropyl alcohol, 91%. I don't think I've ever seen it higher than that. And hydrogen peroxide. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside if you can possibly. And remember, 6 feet away from everybody. All right, God bless. Bye.